YouTube? How's it going? So in this video, we're going to be doing a updated office tour slash room tour, whatever you'd like to call it. I haven't actually done one of these since approximately about 2020, which was uploaded, well, been end of 2020, uploaded early January 2021. I haven't done one since then. I wouldn't say too much has changed, but we'll go ahead and record another one. It's been, I guess we've been pushing almost 2 years now. So let's go ahead and get on with it. We'll go ahead and get this video recorded. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll start with this corner. So this is just a simple corner. This dresser holds my printer and a few other things, like multivitamins, some hand lotion, just deodorant. And the dresser itself just has bedding, that sort of stuff. The top drawer is just more of a junk drawer than it is anything else. And then in front of it, I just have a couple empty alcohol bottles. That Texas Mickey, I did not drink that, but we do want to get a second one because I'd like to turn them into lamps. And then just a water dish for the cats. And then I just got a set of white drawers that has various different items such as like mail, extra cord, stuff for the game systems. And then over here I got a LG 55-inch 4K HDR 10 full smart TV paired to a Soundbar, which is Samsung. And then I do have a Xbox Series X down below with two controllers. Same thing down here. I have a Spider-Man PS4 Pro with two controllers as well as the VR headset. And just an extra monitor. Nothing fancy. There's the sub, just a litter box. As you can see, I do have some LEDs behind the TV. And over here, just disc-based PC games, PS4 games. There's a couple in there that are for the Series X. Retro stuff here. Old audio, CDs, and movies down below. This is just a catch-all kind of thing. Laundry basket, window and curtains. I have my power tool batteries, tools, and more tools under there. Just a place for the kitties to chill. That's the keyboard for Rock Band 3, which I'm actually going to be hooking up to the PC to play Clone Hero once I get a 5-pin MIDI. Just a little junk corner. CB radio, got some camera stuff, Bluetooth speaker and some cleaning stuff. Just the couch. Usually there's a cat there, my work bag, my guitar for Clone Hero, another bag shot back. That is my Plex server. And I have just some stuff kind of stored, like my internet modem, that sort of thing. This, I put that there so I can hook up multiple instruments. And this in of itself is the setup, and we'll take a look at that here in a minute. So we can go ahead, we can definitely see the whole system. I got my two AOC 24-inch monitors, which are connected via DisplayPort with my C922X Pro webcam on top. I'm gonna have Corsair mouse, keyboard, and mouse pad, as well as just a few other miscellaneous items on the desk. But this is where I edit all my videos, I play all the games, I do all the live streaming. The only thing I don't like with this setup at this time is I just need a new chair. So I'm going to keep my eye out, see maybe what I can pick up, if there's any good deals on these chairs, on these sort of chairs, maybe for like not necessarily Black Friday, but like maybe Boxing Day, see if there's any deals or anything like that, just because there's absolutely no padding left. So So, you know, again, like I said, not a whole lot has really changed with the setup itself. Just give you a quick pan around the room. And that is really all there is to it. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, which will tell the YouTube algorithm that you like the content and will help recommend it to more people, as well as don't forget to hit that subscribe button somewhere below, as well as hit the notification so you get notified when I upload, post, or do basically anything with the channel. You will be notified, and I hope to see you in the next one.